you want to actually make money with AI in 2025, then you need to know about these terrible mistakes that most people make, guaranteeing that 95% of them won't ever see real profits. Everyone's obsessing over AI agents, AI chatbots, or AI callers right now, but here's the brutal truth. It's just all hype. While everyone is chasing shiny objects and selling hype, I'll share with you my personal AI agency strategy that made us over $500K in the last year alone. I'm going to show you exactly how it works, plus 2 specific AI products example that have generated us $180K on autopilot. And you don't want to miss this because at the end of this video, I will also be giving away one of those 2 AI products so you can also kickstart your AI journey and make money with it. Let's get right into it. All right, let's start with what's the problem with AI agents? Well, you see, most of YouTube, when they're talking about AI agents, they don't really know what they're talking about. And that creates a lot of hype for AI agents, which is not really justified. Because if you've actually been building AI agents in production, solving real business problem like we have, then you will know that it's pretty hard to build a functional AI agent. And that's because there's a Pareto principle and full effect here, okay? You see, 80% of the result when you build an AI agent in production is going to be achieved with 20% of the effort. But it doesn't matter. What matters is the last remaining 20% of effort to tweak the AI agent so that you actually get the input that you want every time because you're in production mode. There's no more time for testing. Now you got to make real tangible return on investment for your clients, right? And this last 20% basically is going to take 80% of the effort, okay? Most of the time when you're building workflows for your clients, AI workflows, you don't actually need to use an AI agent. You should be just using a classic LLM like ChatGPT or Claude or Gemini and just prompt it. The reality is most AI workflows or AI automation that you should be building are simple enough to do just that. AI agents are meant to think and take decisions and use different tools, use different APIs for you, okay? If you couple building AI agents with the fact that you don't really know what you're doing because you're new in the game, this equals bad outcome for you and your client. And bad outcome for you and your client means that you're not going to be doing this for long. You're not going to be in the game for long, okay? Negative word of mouth is pretty powerful. So you want to make sure that when you start in this game that you actually provide tangible ROI, so return on investment to your clients. As a business or freelancer, if you want to survive in this game and actually make money, well, you shouldn't sell hype. You should sell positive and impactful outcomes for clients. That's your number 1 priority, okay? All right, now that this is said, we can actually go and check into what is the agency space looking like and what you should be doing instead. If we go here, I basically made this in different levels to make you understand how we at WinGrowth see the situation and how I personally saw my own progress going through those different levels, okay? So if you start an AI agency right now, basically, you're going to be starting at level 0 and level 1 like most people do, unless you have some crazy advantage because you're already known for certain things. Most people, when they start an agency, they start at level 0 and level 1. That means level 0 and level 1 is basically you're going to need to service small businesses, okay? And small businesses, let's call them below 50K per month in the agency space, okay? So they're going to be the clients that have a hard time paying you for 5K, for example. They're going to try to justify the ROI on their investments, or you're going to run after the money. Basically, they're not really fun clients to work with. But you know what? Everyone goes through this. Here, when you start level 0, you have no social proof whatsoever. You've got nothing. Well, I have to say you will have to do some free work or very low price work because what you're doing is going after case studies. You're not really going after the money when you start, okay? So I did this. Pretty much everyone that starts a new agency without like previous background is going to do this. You're going to work for free and you're going to make you're going to create tangible ROI for your clients and you're going to get case studies out of them that you're going to use to then sell to bigger clients or just get more money out of your projects, right? So let's say you start level 0, then you graduate level 1. You're still selling to small businesses. I still sell to small businesses in some instances, but I'm going to give you a shortcut to go to level 2 and level 3 right off the bat later in this video. Now you're selling 2 to 5K projects, money's getting in, but you're not working with the best clients. Sometimes you have good clients and sometimes you don't have good clients. And then you just like have situations that sucks. Everyone knows this. Anyone that has an agency knows this. It's the reality. Then with time, you might graduate to level 2 if you stick with it enough. And then you get into the medium-sized business. And those are really more fun clients to work with, really. Like you're not chasing your money. They're actually chasing you to invoice them. The projects are more entertaining. They're range from 5 to 50K. Actually, overall, a way better experience. And then level 3, you get into the enterprise level, which is super hard to get in because the sales cycle are super long. You need to be vetted. A lot of case studies. People need to know you. But when you get into the enterprise world, you stay in it. It's pretty hard to be out of it when you're in it. Basically, you become an approved vendor for some franchise or some big enterprise, and they always use you. Even if you start, and I'm not saying you should do this, but even if you start doing some more bad work, it's going to take them some time to actually remove you, okay? This is sad to say, but it's the reality of things. So like I said, everyone starts level 0 and 1. With time, when you couple good results plus time, you actually level up. But here's the shortcut that I discovered and that I use for my own agency. If you build AI products instead, you don't really care who you're selling the product to. Anyone is welcome. Level 1, level 2, level 3. They just buy because they have the cash and they want it, okay? And if you have a good AI products and clients are satisfied, then you've got a potential upsell situation here, okay? And this means that if a level 2 or level 3 enterprise buy your product because they like it and they like how you've done things, and then you start talking with them and they want you to do more project for them, then congratulations. You just got yourself some higher level clients, even though you're just starting out. So that's a very, very interesting shortcut that I've been using. Basically, I'm going to show you 2 products that I've done myself and then I've sold for over 180K in the last year alone. And that allowed me to work very quickly to some bigger clients that are much more fun to work with. But just before that, one important thing that I have to mention is you have to sell maintenance with this. Obviously, you're in tech and you're doing AI, okay? Most of those business buying your service, you should not try to just sell a one-time product. You should try to sell maintenance because this is super, super sticky. They're going to want you to make sure there's no problem. And then you stick around. And then you also have, if you do a good job, the opportunity to upsell more projects to those clients, the more they stick with you, okay? If I show you here the lifetime value of my clients, so this is just the clients that have churned from me, okay? With time, I've worked with over 100 agency, but there's about 30 that churns from here. You're going to see that in average, agency stays 12.6 months with me, okay? This is crazy. And this is all because I know I do a good job and I sell maintenance. It's pretty sticky. In average, agencies are going to stick with other agencies for 2 to 3 months. So you could say that I have 4 times the average here. Okay, very, very good. And you should be optimizing for this as well because you're always optimizing for lifetime value of your clients. You don't just want one-off projects. This is not a good way to scale your agency. Okay. The tech stack, when you're going to build AI products, like 2 I'm going to show you in a couple seconds, is basically composed of a backend and a front end. So backend is everything that's on the back. So the code, the no code, software that connects software together. And the front end is what people see. So a website or in front like of an application, basically, I'm going to show you how to make this. Basically, the back end, you can use no code tools like n8n and make. I would stick to those. n8n is just so good right now. I would use this. As database, you could use Airtable. It's super user-friendly, or Supabase when you start doing AI workflows that require memory, so AI agents. But when you're more advanced, please, not right off the bat. And the front end, you can use Airtable, which is what I use. I'm going to show you, well, the 2 products that you're going to see are built on Airtable, the front end. And when you want to start doing some more advanced app, you can use software, or that's where you're going to use Lovable and a Cursor. So other more advanced software that involves code, basically. Okay. All right. So let me show you guys the 2 products that I've been selling inside my business in the past year. Okay. One of those is what I call the lead generation operating system. So lead gen OS. Basically, this is a fully fledged software built inside Airtable using make.com at the time. Okay, this is a 1.5 year old product. What we have inside this is a bunch of dashboards for companies to look at their revenue, their KPIs, and their goals. We also have a project management tab here, so companies can operate their whole project management, templatize their project management. We also have campaigns management. We have statistics, which is super good. Everything that has to do with technological setups. You don't have to worry about this, but it's just to show you that there's many features inside this. It's a full-blown product. It's not just a single use case, okay? Client management, CRM, we have the learning center. Basically, what any business would need. So all the big teams, project management, CRM, client management, all of this is built inside Airtable inside one front end, okay? With interfaces. The back end here is a bunch of different tables that look like this and that are connected with make.com. So there's 80 plus automations involved on Airtable, if I go inside this, plus make.com, okay? All of this is a finished product that my client can use to operate their full lead generation agency. And this single product here has generated me over 180K alone in the past year. So we've got about 150K in the product sale alone and about 25 to 26K if I remember correctly, and maintenance, okay? This is why you need to sell maintenance. The second product that I have, if I go here, is a product that we've built about 1.5 months ago. And this product here is the product I'm giving away for free if you go in my school group to get the templates, okay? You've got access to the same thing with all the n8n JSONs to basically rebuild this and sell it to your clients if you want, okay? This product has made me $6,000 in the last 30 days. And just so you know that I'm not capping, here's the proof. You're gonna see the invoice and basically the money that's received in our bank account. So yeah, I'm giving this away for free. This system is an AI content system. So basically it lets people create writers profile. We train the AI on certain writers profile, then we train the AI on companies profile, then on platform profiles. And it allows people to generate ideas and posts on LinkedIn, YouTube, Twitter, anything that they want to generate basically, okay? Based on a certain model that they train the AI on, okay? So it's super useful to remove the blank page syndrome and basically go from an idea to a post in 5 minutes or less. Something that is super precise in terms of how that person writes. It doesn't look like AI if you train it accordingly, okay? So we've installed this 3 times in the last 30 months. I'm not even pushing it. This is on autopilot. What I've done is a webinar at make.com. There's going to be the video there that I'm going to put. If you're interested in seeing this webinar, basically apparently it was the most engaging webinar that Make did in the past few months. So pretty happy about this. And this is the exact same system that I'm giving away for free. So please, if you're starting an AI automation agency, take advantage of this and yeah, use it. We also have the full content pipeline. So it's not just a system to generate things, but it's also to plan your content. This is the same thing that I'm basically using inside my business to manage my content when I post and where I post. Okay, so now that you know this, here's the real secret sauce that comes with the AI product. Why I think it's the thing that you should do if you want to scale your business, okay? One, it's pretty hard to scale an agency if you do custom projects all the time and they're one-off. Okay, yeah, you're gonna sell maintenance. They're gonna be sticky MRR, so monthly recurring revenue, but it's always gonna be different things. If you productize your service, your business essentially, then you're gonna be able to sell a lot more pieces and basically scale further because you're gonna be able to delegate this to employees, okay? If I take the operating system that I show you, the first system that I showed you, it used to take me 13 hours to build for a new client and customize for a new client, but we've automated the automations. Okay, so we've automated the delivery. It's quite funny to say like this. And we went from 13 hours delivery time for something we sell at 5K a pop to 1 hour. Yeah. 5K for 1 hour of work. Amazing, isn't it? The AI content engine takes us from 1 hour to 7 hour basically as well. And we sell it for 2.7, 3K a pop. It really depends on the customization that the client wants. Here's the thing though. If you're good at operations, so you spot inefficiencies in business, you can use projects to get into businesses, so level 2, level 3 businesses. And you can see where they have gaps, inefficiencies. And with time, if the business you're working with likes your job, your product essentially, and you have a good relationship with them, you can propose to them to basically fix those inefficiencies and automate more things. So those products act as entry points for you to go into those businesses and shape good business relationships, okay? And this is how you can go from having no clients or, selling your service for a couple $100 a pop to making projects for 10, 20, 30K, okay? This is really the secret that we've been using. Basically, we know we do a good job. We get into businesses, we spot gaps, we propose some projects. It makes sense for them financially, and they trust us to do a good job, and we scale, okay? I scale my own agency to 77K per month, doing strictly automations, just doing this. So not just products, but also all the service that comes with it, which gave me a lot more experience in different industries as well. All right, so if you're interested into kickstarting your AI journey and start making money with AI, you can go inside our school group. The link is going to be inside the description, and all the templates are there. We have many other different products there that you can just take, tweak, and sell to potential clients to kickstart your AI journey, okay? Please, if you like the content, don't forget to like, subscribe. And also, I mentioned some things about if you're good at operations, you can scale further and find gaps. If you want to learn more about operations and AI automation, our school group is also going to teach you about those topics. So don't hesitate to join. It's free for now, and looking forward to see you there.